Let's say you just got a $1,000 bonus or tax refund. Do you put it in savings or do you pay off debt? This question trips up almost everyone because both sound important. But the truth is, one choice usually costs you money while the other helps you build wealth. Let's break it down step by step in plain English. Step 1. High-interest debt always comes first. Credit cards, payday loans, store cards, these are dangerous. Why? Because they often charge 18, 20, or even 25% interest. Here's an example. If you carry $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest, you're paying $1,000 a year just in interest charges. No savings account in the world will give you that kind of return. So if you're in this boat, every extra dollar should go to crushing that debt. Step 2. But savings still matter. If you have no emergency fund, you're always one surprise expense away from falling deeper into debt. Imagine your car breaks down or your pet needs an emergency vet visit. If you don't have at least $1,000 to $2,000 in savings, you'll probably swipe the credit card again, and the cycle repeats. That's why the smart move is tackle high-interest debt aggressively, but at the same time, stash away a small starter emergency fund. Step 3. Balance debt payoff and saving. Once the worst debt is under control, your strategy changes. If your loans are lower interest, like student loans at 4 or 5%, or a mortgage at 6%, it's smarter to balance paying those down with building savings. Here's why. While you're paying those loans, you also want to save for short-term goals like a vacation, home repairs, or a new laptop. This way, you're making progress on both fronts instead of feeling like you're stuck in debt forever. Step 4. Think about opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is just a fancy way of saying, what do you give up by making one choice over the other? If you focus only on saving, you lose money to high-interest debt. If you focus only on debt, you may miss chances to invest or prepare for emergencies. That's why the best plan is almost always a hybrid. Pay off expensive debt while building savings at the same time. Step 5. Use automation to make it effortless. Set up automatic transfers into savings every payday, even if it's just $50. And set up automatic extra payments toward your highest interest loan. Automation means you don't have to rely on willpower. The progress happens in the background. Over time, you'll look up and realize you've cut your debt balance and built a real cushion. Step 6. Connect it to your lifestyle goals. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about what those numbers allow you to do. When you pay off high-interest debt, you free up cash flow. That's money you can use to enjoy budget-friendly luxuries guilt-free. Like upgrading your home coffee setup instead of daily coffee runs, or using credit card perks like Lyft Pink or Peloton credits that actually save you money. This is how you balance living well now while also preparing for your future. Step 7. A quick roadmap you can follow today. Here's the action plan in 3 steps. Pay off high-interest debt first. It's the fastest guaranteed return on your money. Build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 to $2,000. Protect yourself from surprise expenses. Once debt is manageable, balance saving, investing, and debt payoff together. This roadmap works whether you're earning $30,000 a year or $130,000 a year. The percentages change, but the principles don't. So what's the final answer? If the debt is high interest, pay it down first. If it's low interest, balance payoff with saving. And always protect yourself with a small emergency fund. That's how you make the smart choice with every extra dollar. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more quick and simple money tips. And stick around, because I'll also show you how to use attainable luxury hacks, like free perks, travel tricks, and budget-friendly upgrades, so you can enjoy life while you build wealth.